Here I have Alcatel One S 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, let's open phone application, then go to the contacts list, pick a contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to add its photo. You can take photo or you can just choose one from the gallery. I'll just do it like this. Then you have to pick a photo, then you can crop it here, then tap here to confirm it, and then tap save, and as you can see, photo to contact added. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.